Hello guys, I love this. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in case you're new here guys, my name is Teresa. Yeah, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in France, Lyon to be precise. So guys, today's video is just showing you guys how I meal prep. Yes, I'm going to be meal prepping today. Yes, I'm on a healthy eating, I don't know how to put it, like this week I dedicated this week to just like eating healthy. Maybe not maybe not strictly, but I just dedicated this week to like exercise and eat healthy and see, maybe I will shed some weight. I don't know. At the end of the week I'm going to be checking myself out to see if it really worked or not. So guys, excuse my, I just finished doing dishes and I still have some water there. I'm going to be making some salad. I'm going to be making stir-fried veggies. It's just broccoli and carrots. I always like to have that in my fridge. I just add it to my meal. Maybe sometimes when I'm eating rice, I just add it to my rice. You guys know the advantage of veggies is to keep you full. Like you can just eat little rice but add a lot of veggies to it and before you know it, you're full. I'm also going to be making roasted potatoes. Yes, roasted potatoes. I have about 4 potatoes here. So I'm also going to be making rice. Yes, this is brown rice. Yes, brown rice. This week no more white rice, so I'm going to be making brown rice. So I have carrots, I have tomatoes. I'm going to be washing this and storing it in the fridge, maybe for salad or just snack on it. So guys, without talking too much, let's get cooking. Let's just start cooking. Meanwhile, let me show you guys my onions. Take a look, my onions is growing. So I'm going to start with my carrots. Today's weather is not that good. So I hope this video is clear. I think I need to invest on a ring light. I really do need to do that ASAP. So guys, if you want to help yourself lose weight or eat healthy, the best way to do that is by meal prepping. Yes, you have to prep your meals. I did this before guys. Like, let me take the camera a little bit up so you guys can see me. So guys, I did this once and trust me, it worked out great. Like I can't believe it. Like, this is my second time trying to do this. Like the first time it worked out perfectly well. I was always meal prepping, always having something in my fridge to eat. Anytime I'm hungry, I'll just pop it out and eat. Then it was even summer. Can you imagine? I made my own ice cream. it was that bad. Like, I had to make my own fruit ice cream. So guys, now I'm cutting my potato. Yeah, this is the size I went for. I don't want it to be too big. Just went for this size. If you want to see how I make my potato, you can check out my potato recipe. I'm going to be leaving it out. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box below. It's just easy. It's easy. It's easy. You can snack on it. You can eat it with anything you want to eat it with. Even kids love it, you know, they love it. And also, when you're trying to lose weight, potato is good for you. When you're trying to lose weight, the best food are food that are filling, you know. But yeah, this is a lot. I have quite a lot here. I don't know if it's because I cut it in a small size. I don't know. So that's it. I'm just going to be washing it and adding some salt, some coconut oil. You guys can check out my recipe if you want to try it out. So I'm just going to give this a wash. So I just finished washing. I'm going to be drying with a paper towel. You can even make your Irish potato like this. Trust me, you're going to love it. The potato is dried now, so I'm going to be adding some salt. So when I made my potato recipe for better lifestyle, she left a comment that she liked to have pepper to hers, and I think it's cayenne pepper, but I don't have cayenne pepper right now because I know that lady loves pepper a lot. For better lifestyle, that lady adds pepper to everything she eats. So the only pepper I have apart from Scotch bonnet is this black pepper. So I'm going to be having black pepper. I think it's going to be nice too. It's just going to add flavor, because for me, I don't think black pepper is hot. So I'm also going to be having basil. Like I said before, guys, I have the recipe in my channel. Just check it out. So the last thing I'm going to be having is my coconut oil. So I melted some coconut oil here. So I'm just going to mix everything together. I think the black pepper is going to have extra flavor. Let me add a little bit of basil. And maybe a little bit of salt. That's it, guys. This is what it's looking like. I hope you guys can really see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to be popping it in the oven right away. The next thing I'm going to be doing is boiling some rice. This is brown rice, and I also have the recipe on my channel, yes, because cooking brown rice is a little bit different from white rice, so you can check it out here. Because this is just 1 cup of rice, you need at least 2 cups of water to cook it. So now it's time to prep my broccoli. So I don't want to cook much rice because this weekend Obi is going to be making coconut rice. Yeah, he already bought some coconut milk. Yeah. So, and when Obi makes coconut rice, it's delicious. So I'm going to be having some. I don't care. Moderation is everything. The moment you start restricting yourself, you find it difficult because you get tired of everything. That's for me. Maybe everybody is different. I still like to enjoy the food I love to eat, you know. And this is the size I like my broccoli. Not too big and not too small. So I'm going to be washing this right now. Now our rice is cooking and our potato is in the oven. So I have to wash the broccoli and cook it. Oh my God, the way my kitchen is scented because of my potato. Oh my God, the kitchen is scented. I'm waiting for my water to get hot so that I can steam my veggies. So meanwhile, look at my salad here. I'm going to be washing this right away.
So you take a pain.
I'm not going to let this sit there for long, just for a little while. And I will do this. This cover of pots, cover this pot. So I don't know which one I'll be covering right now. My rice is almost ready though. So let's cover my rice because you need the heat to be soft. We like our rice soft. Let's remove the veggies from the fire. I'm going to be pouring cold water and this will stop the cooking process. So this is what it's looking like. So the rice is ready. Yeah, it does not look good, I know. That's brown rice for you, but the egg benefit is good. That's what we want. This is set like 3 times on a normal day, maybe twice, but because we are trying to lose some weight, maybe 3 or 4 times. So that's why I don't want to cook a lot, because if it's mush, definitely I'm going to be tempted to eat mush. But if it's just a little bit like this, just a little smoke, so I need me some olive oil. That like at the back, I think is the stopping. I like adding liquid Maggi to my veggies. I love my veggies to be tasty. I don't like when veggies are bland. I think that's the word, bland. I'm not in an English speaking country, so I think that's the word. All the English people make me tell me, like when it's tasteless, when there is no taste, I think they call it bland. Bland. Let me know in the comment section if that's what they call it. Also going to be having just a little bit of salt. Take a look. Let me bring it to you guys. Just take a look. It's beautiful in it. So while we are waiting for that, I'm not done with the salad yet because I have too much salad here. Look at the space I have, and the salad is more than the space. So this is all my salad. Oh, these are all my salad. English is hard. I'm in a French country, you guys. I'm not in an English-speaking country. So imagine, guys, I'm not going to be using this salad anymore because we obviously have too much there. I'm just going to be saving it for next time. So here's our cucumber. I'm going to be needing half for my detox water and half for my salad. I already washed it, guys. I washed it so well, like you don't want to imagine how you don't want to imagine how I washed it. Guys, the secret to eating healthy and losing weight is prepping your meals, okay? Prep your meals, very important. Prep your meals. So this is enough for my salad. So I'll be using this for my detox water. So guys, our veggies is ready. Take a look at it. And it tastes so good. So good. Tastes super delicious. You can even eat it like that without nothing. Our rice is also ready. So guys, our potato is out from the fire. Yeah, we just left it there. It's cold now, so I decided to try a different size. Yeah, but it's too small. I think it's too small, but to snack on for kids is perfect. My kids will love it. I think I've eaten half of this already. Okay, I'm almost done. The only thing remaining is for me to just prep some veggies. I'm going to be prepping some spring onions and some bell pepper. Yeah, So I'm going to be prepping the veggies right now, and this video is getting too long. I think we have come to the end of the video, so let me know in the comment section if you like videos like this, because I'll be bringing you more of meal prep, you know. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video to help someone, you know. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Of course, I'm going to show you guys what everything look like, so stay tuned. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
Wind is throwing me across the sky. Thanks to you, at least I can fly. I'm a paper plane. This is what you've done to me, but thanks to you, turbulence doesn't scare me anymore. Why did you teach me how to fly, but forgot that I should land? I'm a paper